Kylen, what are you looking forward to learning about here in the reading room?
I'm very excited to learn about different writers that used to go here to Iowa, some of the different kinds of books, and I'm definitely excited to learn about alumni.
Ooh, fun. I'm excited to learn and see some photos about Duke Slater and Nile Kinnick.
Yeah, I really do want to learn a lot more about Nile Kinnick as well.
Well, should we get started?
Yeah.
Perfect, let's do it.
Special Collections and Archives is one of 4 rare book rooms on campus. Ours encompasses everything from artist books to medieval manuscripts to books from people who were here at the Iowa Writers Workshop.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Liz Reardon. I'm lead outreach and instruction librarian for Special Collections and Archives. And today I've got some fun things to show you.
Cool, let's get started.
Yeah, follow me.
That's so crazy to me that this is animal skin.
I know. I thought this would be like cover made from a tree, but I never thought about where that transition came in.
Yeah, now that I'm touching it, like it makes so much more sense.
I like the way that they design, because everything is so intentional. You want to see what this one is?
Yes, that looks incredible.
It's called I, Robot.
Oh my gosh. It's the 3 laws of robotics. That's funny.
If you had a miniature book, what would you make it about?
I feel like I would write a mini journal about the places that I've traveled.
Mine would definitely be about all the butterflies that I've seen.
So I'm Matrice and I'm the student life archivist, and I'm going to show you guys what the University Archives has in store. So this is Nile Kinnick, who was the team captain of the Ironman football team, and he received Iowa's first Heisman Trophy in 1939. He went on to fight in World War II. Unfortunately, however, he passed away. We also have his diary on the table, open to when he talks about the bombing of Pearl Harbor.
Oh, wow.
Who's this?
This is Duke Slater. So Duke Slater was the first Black All-American on the football team here at Iowa, and he got that in 1919. In 1921, he was also the one to kind of lead the team into basically sweeping victory, and they won the Big Ten for that year as well.
Okay, there you go. Ooh, you can see all these players have on helmets, and Duke Slater is being tackled by 5 people without a helmet on, and this is something that he did normally, so I thought that was pretty cool.
So the last item that I'm going to show you guys from the University Archives today is the scrapbook of Anna Marie Brinker, College of Nursing student in 1916.
There's a lock of hair in here as well.
Iowa Medical, the faculty and senior class of the State University of Iowa. Oh, it's the list of everybody that was graduating. So, what would you say is your favorite thing that you learned so far?
I really liked the miniature books. I thought those were really cool.
That was cool.
What about you?
I would say that I think it was really cool to see perspective of a woman's life here on campus through the nurse's scrapbook.
That was really cool.
My name is Beatrice Kearns. I'm a graduate research assistant here at the Iowa Women's Archives, and we collect the history of Iowa women.
We have some material about Nancy Drew. Carolyn Keene is the author, and the first woman who was Carolyn Keene is an Iowan. Her name is Mildred Wirt Benson. The University of Iowa hosted a conference all about Nancy Drew, so we have a t-shirt here with The Secret of the Old Clock. And then this is one of her typewriters that we have here. She was a very accomplished journalist.
Wow, I feel like I learned so many new things today.
Me too. It was really cool to see all these artifacts and things.
If you guys want to see all cool historical items about the University of Iowa, come to the 3rd floor of the main library and look for the sign that says Special Collections and University Archives. This is just one of the many reasons why every day is a great day to be a Hawkeye.
Bye.